Today we will discuss some important topics. First is triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are those numbers whose dot patterns can be arranged as triangles. First triangular number is, suppose we have a dot. So first triangular number is 1. We have one dot here, therefore first triangular number is 1. Second is, suppose we have a dot and we put two dots, then again it is, these dots can be arranged in the form of a triangle. So second triangular number is 1 plus 2 is 3. Second triangular number is 3. Next, 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. Again we have the shape of a triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 to 5 plus 1, 6. Third triangular number is 6. Next, you can guess here we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4, 3, 7, 2, 9 and 1, 10. So fourth triangular number is 10. So triangular numbers, first triangular number is 1. Second is 1 plus 2, 3. Third triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Fourth triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. And similarly you can find the next triangular numbers. Next question is, write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 4. Now a Pythagorean triplet is of the form 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now 2m is even. It is always even because it is a product of 2. So we assume that the given number is equal to 2m. We assume that let 2m is equal to 4. That implies m is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now we have to write the Pythagorean triplet. So first member is 2m, second is m square minus 1, third is m square plus 1. We know that 2m is equal to 4, or we can write m is equal to 2, so 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. M square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. M square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. So required Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4, 5. So you can use this formula 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 to form a Pythagorean triplet. Now if you have to check the given triplet is Pythagorean or not, you can also apply Pythagoras theorem, but when you have to write the Pythagorean triplet, you will apply this formula. Next is difference between the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. This is equal to their sum. You know about natural numbers, and consecutive means लगातार. So this property states that the difference between their squares is equal to their sum. For example, 4 square minus 3 square. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we have 4 as a and 3 as b. So we can write 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 1 is 7. So we can see that when we write the formula a square minus b square, a minus b, the difference between two consecutive numbers is 1. So we will have only a plus b left. So 4 square minus 3 square is equal to sum of the numbers 4 plus 3, and which is equal to 7. Next we will discuss under root 2025 is equal to 45. Now when we form the groups, here we can see that there are two groups. Therefore number of digits in the square root of 2025 is 45, which is equal to 2. Only 2 digits we have. So we can guess the number of digits of the square root. Here number of digits is 1 2 3 4, 4, and through 4 digits we can form two groups. So the number of digits in the square root is 2. So suppose the number of digits is n, where n is even. Then for number of digits in the square root is n by 2. Next example. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 digits, and in the square root we have 3 digits. Here we can see that we can form 3 groups, 1 2 and 3. In last group we have only 1 digit. Here we can see that number of digits is odd, 1 2 3 4 5. Number of digits is odd. So when n is odd, the number of digits in square root is n plus 1 divided by 2. Here we have number of digits 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is odd. So number of digits in square root is 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. We have 3 digits in the square root, 1 2 3. Thank you.